Having trouble with your Echo Dot not picking up music or sounds? This can happen because of microphone problems, low volume, or software glitches. In this video, I'll guide you through easy steps to fix your Echo Dot so it recognizes music and sounds again. Let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, try to follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Restart the Alexa Echo. Unplug the power adapter from the Echo Dot for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back in. After that, open the Alexa app Open. Tap the bulb icon, select your device, tap Settings, tap Wi-Fi network, check the connection health. If this says that means you have no issues with Wi-Fi. However, if this says poor, that means you have issues with internet, so you can restart your Wi-Fi to solve that problem. After following this, are you still facing the same issue? Then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Change sound settings. Open the Alexa app, then tap on the light icon below. Now tap on your Echo Dot. After that, tap on the settings icon from the top. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on sounds. Toggle on the gradually increased volume here. Solution 3. Check if the microphone on your Alexa device is muted. Most Echo devices have a microphone button. If you're seeing a red light on your device, then your device's mic is muted. Press the button to unmute it. And also make sure the volume on your Alexa device is turned up to a reasonable level. You can ask Alexa, volume up. If your Alexa music is still not working, then follow my last solution. Solution 4. Use Amazon Music. Open the App Store, tap on the search bar, search Amazon Music. Install this app and try using this app to listen to music on your Alexa. That's all for fixing the Echo Dot not playing music or sounds. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.